Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty. Honestly, this video we're going to be talking about what this rice water does to my scalp. So as you can see, I do have these cornrows in my hair, and what I'm going to be doing is leaving these in my hair for a month. If you're new to my channel, that's something that I do in order to just retain a little bit of hair growth. So what I did was I just put 4 cornrows in my hair. This is what they look like. They're very simple. After I texturize my hair, it's very easy for me to go ahead and put my hair in just 4 cornrows instead of having to put them in like 5, 6, or 7. Usually I do like 8 braids, but I'll probably do that next time. But this time I was just trying to go for something quick, and I am gonna I am gonna wear a wig over these cornrows, just to make my hair grow or just have a protective style to wear. So we're going to talk about what this does to my scalp. And everybody's rice water is different. I make mine a certain way for the needs of my hair and the needs that I want for my scalp as well. So my rice water, I already did a video on what ingredients that I put in my rice water. So if you want to see that video, I'll have it linked below, or I will go ahead and have a link to it somewhere in this video as well. So this is my rice water spray. I told you guys now that I do keep it in a glass bottle. It sounds like ASMR. Anyway, so I do keep it in a glass bottle now because I don't want any of the chemicals from the plastic bottles to seep into my hair product. So glass bottle, that's what I do now. And I'm going to also show you guys how I apply it to my scalp. So this rice water is super beneficial, you guys. This stuff will really make your hair grow, and it's just overall good for your hair and your scalp as well. So when I do put this onto my scalp, I do get a tingling sensation. So this stuff really does make my scalp tingle, and it does stimulate my scalp. This stuff stimulates my scalp because of the ingredients that I apply. Because of the ingredients that I put in my rice water, this stuff stimulates my scalp, so which overall will stimulate your hair growth. So I'm gonna go ahead and first show you guys how I spray it onto my scalp. I'll just do one section. I'll do the section in the middle first. Like, honestly, I said a little does go a long way, so you'll just spray it and then rub it in, because the ingredients in it will definitely make your scalp tingle, and that's what you want. Because if your scalp is tingling, that means you're stimulating it. Oh, sprayed my forehead. You're stimulating your scalp, so you definitely want to do that with this. And it doesn't take a lot. If your hair is in cornrows, it definitely will not take a lot. And you can spray the perimeter of your hair as well, but I did my edges for this video, so I'm not gonna spray my edges because I want them to stay in place. Now let's go ahead and see if I'm missing anything. So I have 4 braids. That's the total amount of braids that I do have, but I will also just kind of spray the perimeter. And y'all, listen, you don't have to use a lot. You really don't. It will work. Like, you'll feel your scalp tingling because of the ingredients that I do put in my rice water. So this stuff will make your hair grow if you do spray on your scalp consistently. And I know another question that a lot of people ask is, do you rinse it out, or do you wash your hair after you apply yours? And the answer to that is no. Because I'm only spraying this on my scalp, and I spray a small amount, but I do rub it into my scalp, I don't rinse it out, because that would just make things so complicated if every time I sprayed this on my scalp I was rinsing it out. I don't rinse it out now. So I just spray it on and keep it moving. That's it. You do want to make sure you're spraying it on your scalp so that you can rub it in. And I just rub it in. And honestly, I'm probably spraying too much now, but I'm just trying to demonstrate to you guys what exactly I do with my rice water. And this is just how I do it. So once I spray it, I rub it in. And I will also be doing a video on another product or other products that I do use to achieve hair growth while my hair is in cornrows. So I do kind of alternate, but for the most part, I've been using rice water. But I do also use sulfur 8. So if you guys want to see, or if you guys want me to implement that product into my 1 month trial run this time, because it's really not a trial run because I do this all the time. But if you want me to implement it into this 1 month process of hair growth, let me know down below and I'll do that as well. So I just wanted to quickly go over what I use, and this is what I use. I've told you guys how I made it. It's in my last video. This is the bottle that I put it in now because I don't like using can't find it. I don't like using plastic bottles anymore. This is just what I use now, and this stuff will make your scalp tingle. It's amazing. It's really great. So it does have a lot of benefits, and this stuff will make your scalp tingle, and it will also moisturize your scalp. So it'll moisturize your scalp and make it tingle, which is like everything you need for hair growth, because it's mostly, I wouldn't say mostly water, but it's water and rice water ingredients and oils. So it's a very moisturizing product when it comes to what your scalp needs. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know what this stuff will do for your scalp and to your scalp. It is amazing. I swear by this. I don't know, I just do. So I feel like this is a very, very, very quick video, but I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know what I use or what this does for my scalp, and that's pretty much it. This is what my hair is looking like now. I'll do a length check with the braids in, so at least when I take them out, when I do pull it, you'll be able to see where it stops. So this is where it stops now in the braid. So of course when it's out of the braid, it does stop a little bit further. Can y'all see that fully? No, you can't. Let me lift up some. So this is where it stops in the braid. So once the end of this 1 month process is over, I'll do another check with the length of the braid, and then I'll take it out and do a length check that way as well. But as I said, I just put 4 braids in my hair this time, and that's it for this time. So yeah, you also, while your hair is in the braids, I do feel that my ends are a little bit dry, so you can also spray this on your ends, but like I said, it does not take a lot. There's a lot of different types of oils and things in this product, so it's mostly water, inositol from the rice, and oils. A lot of different oils just to kind of help your hair, as well as just to make it overall experience as far as the smell. So I do spray it on my ends. I don't always spray it on my ends. I mostly put like leave-in conditioner on the braids, but I put that on my scalp. So that is what I do with my rice water. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me see if I'm missing anything. Right, I just rub it in. And then of course I'll come back to you guys and give you guys updates on my hair. No! Anyway, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. That's pretty much all I do with my rice water, and it has been working for me as far as hair growth. And by the end of this 1 month process, you will see the growth in my hair as well. So I do want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Definitely invest in this rice water. Make something. Make some of it if you want to. This is what I use, and it really does work for me. I did put a lot of time and energy into the formula that I use for me, so just kind of customize it to how you like it. If you like it to have certain ingredients, just put them in there based off what you know your hair needs, or pretty much what you feel like your hair would need. That's what I did for me, and it works. So of course you will see the before and after when this 1 month process is over, and I will be giving you guys updates as far as just the whole rice water thing all together in general. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already. I don't know what to say. If you haven't seen my rice water recipe video, it is going to be linked down below, and I also am going to be leaving a tag. Make sure you watch this whole video though, but this video is pretty much over, so if you made it to this part, then you did watch the whole video, so thank you for that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave these in for 1 month, so this is going to be 1 month old cornrows by the time I take them out, and we'll see how much my hair grew together. So I do want to thank you guys again so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.